Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a cooking notification when the oven is turned on and you are not at home. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the automations button down below. Click on the discover button at the top. Scroll down to home security. Scroll down to the routine section and click on the cooking alert button. Get a notification if the hob or oven is turned on while away. Select the conditions and then the action and click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby enabling the routine. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.